Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress if you have bought the Namecheap cPanel hosting. First thing you have to do is log into your Namecheap account. After logging in to your Namecheap account, go to the hosting list from the left sidebar. Then you will see your subscription status. Make sure it is active and then click on Go to cPanel. Now Namecheap will automatically redirect you to the cPanel. From here, you have to find the WordPress option. Right now you can see it is visible at the top. If it is not, then you can scroll down and in the software section also you can find the same option. If you are still not able to find it, you also use the search function here. Click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous, then click on Install. Now you have to select a protocol. I would suggest you to go with HTTPS without www because it will be secured with a SSL certificate. But before that, please make sure that your website has an active SSL certificate. Otherwise, you will not be able to access your website after installing WordPress. To do that, it is very simple. Go to my website smarthelpguides.com, click on this tool SSL status. It will open in a new tab here like this. Then just simply put your domain name here, then click on check SSL. You will see current status of this domain is it has a valid certificate and the certificate type is also trusted authority. So make sure you see these two green ticks and then proceed further. Now select the domain name. Currently you can see I have a single domain name. So I will select this. In directory, I would suggest you to leave it blank. But if you want to install it in a separate folder, then you can name it like /blog. But make sure you understand that your website will be accessible on this URL, not yourwebsite.com. You have to type your website.com/blog or your whatever your directory name is. Then scroll down and leave this option as default. You can change the settings later. Make sure to note this username and password and keep it safe in a notepad. Also make sure to replace the admin email with a working email ID where you can receive your username and password. Then from the select plugin also, you can use the AI website builder plugin. I will keep it ticked, and also the limit login attempts. If you want, we can uninstall it later. Then scroll down, click on this advanced option. I would suggest you to untick auto upgrade WordPress plugins and themes because sometimes these can also break your website design or completely break your website, though that happens very rarely. In auto upgrade, I will only select this upgrade to minor version because these are mostly security related upgrades. And in automated backups, I will select it once a day or once a week depending on how frequently your website content changes. For example, I will select once a day, and in backup rotation 4 is fine. So basically it will create 4 backups and then delete the 4th one, then start creating new backups. So at any given point of time there will always be previous 4 days backup available. Then again put your working email ID here, click on install, and that's it. Now this WordPress installer will automatically create our database, download WordPress from its website and complete the installation automatically. With this auto installer, we do not need to manually create database as we have to do when we download WordPress file from the WordPress website and then try to create a website with it. And that was super quick. Our WordPress installation is complete. You can click open this in a new tab and see your website. You can see this is our default WordPress website. Hello world. Now if we go back to the softaculous cPanel installer, you can also see the admin URL. You have to just open it in a new tab and it will automatically redirect you to the WordPress admin area. So this is the Namecheap's new AI launcher. So if you want, you can exit this launch or you can create your website from here. So I will just exit it because for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to install WordPress on cPanel. So you can see our WordPress installation is complete. Now I will show you some more settings. If you go here, click on overview, and scroll down, you will see the current installations. From here also you can reset the password, edit details, create staging, and manage your WordPress installation with the WordPress manager here. So let's say you forgot your password, then you can go to manage user, and then from here you can change the password of the user. You have to just select the username and then enter your new password, then click on save, and you would be able to log in. Or you can also just click on login here and it will automatically redirect and log in without your username and password. Then from the dashboard here you can go to your profile and then edit a new password if you want. Okay, so that's an option. Now let's talk about troubleshooting issues. If you have installed WordPress and then when you open it in a new tab, you are not able to access your website. It could be because your domain doesn't have the right name servers. So I will show you how to check also that. So you have to copy your domain name from here, then go to my website, click on this check DNS records option. It will open in a new tab like this. Then you have to paste your domain name here. Select NS, it stands for name servers, then click on find. It will automatically check across multiple servers across the globe and show you your name servers. It should be dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com, as you can see here. And then click on a record, click on find. You will see the IP address. It should be the same IP address of your cpanel hosting server. To check that, go back here, click on this control panel option, and then in the right sidebar here you can see this is our hosting server IP 209 dot something, and then if you go back here you can see this is the same exact IP. If it is showing a different IP, it means that your domain is not configured to use the right name servers. And to fix that, go back to Namecheap here, go to domain list or go to the dashboard here. If you have multiple domains, if it is not visible, then you can go to the domain list also. Click on manage, and then in the name server settings, it should be Namecheap web hosting DNS, not Namecheap basic DNS or custom DNS. So select the correct Namecheap web hosting DNS and then click on this tick icon here to save your settings. After changing the settings, it may take few hours, at least 30 minutes. Again, you can go to my website and verify the NS records and the A record. NS record should be this and A record should be the shared IP of your cpanel server. And second troubleshooting is when you are trying to install WordPress by going here and then your domain is not visible here, it means your domain is not connected to the cpanel. For that you have to go here, control panel, then find the add-on domain option. It should also be supported by your plan. You can see here my add-on domains quota is 2. Currently I am not using any add-on domains, so it is 0/2, and you can find it from here. You can go to the domains. Here you can see your default domain. This is my main domain here. If you want to add another domain, you have to click on create a new domain and then type your domain and then click on submit. Then it should be visible in the Softaculous installer. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. I will try to help you out. If this video helped you, please like and share your feedback.